Hello and welcome to this RenderCAD tutorial. RenderCAD is designed to be a promptless experience. However, if you need extra control, we do offer a details prompt. So in this tutorial, I'll teach you the best practices for getting that prompt working correctly. First, let's get an image into the studio, and I'll use the viewport tool. I already have an Onshape tab open in the browser with a public chess set model. I modeled this in Onshape a few years ago. So we'll get the camera roughly where we want it. Let's put it right there. And then we'll head back over to RenderCAD. So this looks roughly correct, and we'll crop it to this region right here. And that looks good. Now we'll click the camera button. So now we have that here in our render stack. To access the prompt, open up the Advanced tab. And the prompt is located here at the bottom of this Advanced tab. So for this example, let's set the condition to lightly used, lightware. And the background, we'll keep it at auto, and the material we'll have as auto as well, because we're going to use the prompt to drive things in the image. So first, let's break the prompt up into three main sections: the material, the camera, and the background. So material, camera, and background. For the material, we want to describe exactly what these pieces are like. Chess pieces made of resin printed plastic. Board made of maple wood and black walnut wood. And for the camera, this will be a high quality lens focused on the chess set with background slightly blurred. In the background, a modern, clean environment with furnishings. Now that the main prompt is in there, let's also learn another trick for overlaying colors onto your image and replacing those colors with items from your prompt. So we'll use two colors. First, we'll start with a red one, so red color. This will be the table, so replace this color with a wooden table. And we'll put some rivets on this table with a blue color. Replace this color with handcrafted rivets into the table. Okay, now let's add these overlay colors to the image. So we can do this if we hover over the tile, click on these three dots, and edit image. You could do this pre-processing with Paint or any other image editing tool that you want, but in this case we'll use the built-in tool in RenderCAD. So let's draw a rough representation of a table. We'll use the line tool, and we'll pick a red color. It doesn't have to be perfect. This is just a rough representation of where the table is going to go. Ideally, you will have all the geometry for your environment already modeled, but in case you do need this advanced workflow, it is here. And a slightly faded color for the sides. Okay, there's our table. Now let's add some rivets. We'll use the circle tool and we'll fill it. It will be blue. Let's use the paint tool instead. So we'll put some here, here. There. Okay, that should be good. Save. Double check to make sure your engine's on realistic, resolution is HD, and style is exact. Okay, let's check out the render and see how it did. Not too bad. And that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.